the festival. So besides that, I hope everybody is enjoying themselves, having a good time.
Like the half open one.
Love the energy that I'm feeling as I'm walking right now through the athletes and making my way back up to the announcement booth. So let's keep this going, guys. Let's make it a fun afternoon for all of us. Let's see some great racing action and all that.
Cool air. Cool air. Hey. Jason, I already said hi to Jacob. Apparently his team is also in the mixed B semi-qualifiers.
Oh? I thought you were in mixed C.
Or sorry, C, yeah. Sorry, he was in mixed C as well. So he was the race before us. And he'll also be in the race before us again this afternoon because they're in the consolation for racing.
Right. They have
Want your fan back? Right? I was looking at the timings. It was 2:04 with the yeah, third. Yeah, the next one is out.
All right, who's ready for some racing action? Woo! Hold on, is this for some Dragon Boat racing action? Woo! Again, let me check this mic again. Hold on, one more time. Are you ready for some racing action? Let's hear ya! Woo! All right, I'm done. I tried. Jenna, we tried. Well, so like I mentioned, guys, before the break, we're getting ready to resume racing action with our race schedule on CalgaryDragonBoatSociety.com. Sound good? Yeah, sounds good. Okay, cool. I don't know if Conrad and Lori are together, but if you see them together, LCC Sun Dragons in lane number 2 will have the Dirty Oars. In lane number 3 will be Dragon Storm. In lane number 4 will be Wood and Out. And in lane number 5, my favorite one to say, EDBRC with EDK Sky. So those are our 5.
getting ready to go.
Just like the CFL, nothing is finished until the game is over or until the race is over. Usually all the good action happens in that last 100, 200 meters here of a 500 meter race, as you'll start to see the boats shift as some start to surge and try to make that comeback, or others fall back behind. So again, it still seems like Dragon Storm is trying to pull away with this women's A semifinal race. But as you can see across the water, we do have a fairly even battle for second place here. It looks like it's probably going to end up being a photo finish. So to definitely help those teams out, because this will affect their placement in the final, make some noise! That's located on the signs, like literally right in front of you guys at the spectator area. Scan that QR code and you guys can get the official race times and results literally at your fingertips. So, kicking off this last women's A semifinal race, 500 meters.